In this video, I'll show you how to screenshot on PC. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to minimize this, right? Then I'll scroll down to this my search task bar option. I'll click on this, then I'll type in sniping tool. So this is the tool you can use to take a screenshot on your PC, right? I'll click on it. Once it has opened, I would switch this, I would click on this, right? Then once I've clicked on this, I would click on this new button option, right? Then I would adjust, I would drag my mouse with this giving cursor, right? Till any length I want, any length of adjustment I want to take the screenshot, right? It can be this, it can be this, it can be this. So once I'm done, I'll just leave my mouse. Exactly, so it has screenshotted my PC. So this is the easiest way you can use to take a screenshot on your PC. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.